today here for this launch. For this launch, one has to emphasize and provide a clear setup frames. As this launch, we provide a clear coordination framework for the deployment and operational utilization of the South African National Defence Force in cooperation with the South African Police Service and, of course, with the other law enforcement agency to ensure that we stabilize the priority crime within the affected areas in this part of South Africa. This part of South Africa, we are, of course, in Gauteng. Hence, the deployment is aimed to restore law and order, neutralize the organized crime syndicate, curb illegal mining and gang-related violence, and safeguard communities and essential infrastructure through an integrated, intelligence-driven, multidisciplinary operation approach. On the concept of the operation is a joint South African National Defence Force, South African Police Service, the law enforcement agency, which includes Gauteng Traffic Police, which includes your traffic police within this municipality, the Gauteng Traffic Wardens, and other law enforcement agency, as I've indicated that this deployment aims at stabilizing the priority crimes, hotspots area, and of course, this deployment, as and when we are in this operational space, more especially the illegal mining site, will set off or will cover off level 1 to 2 of the illegal mining phases, of which will, of course, dismantle organized crime syndicates involving this illegal mining, gang violence, restore law and order, peace and community safety, will, of course, reduce serious and violent crimes level, reclaiming the territorial control by the criminal networks and stamp the authority of the state. The operational directives to be as follows, or to follow, as we have to ensure that the planning, I will say, Brigadier General Singo, we have to ensure that the planning, coordination, execution of the operation do take place with all management for the South African National Defence Force, all law enforcement agency, with the South African Police Service across the province. I know for the fact we are sitting on the Prof joints, tabling or putting for the operational metrics with the led by the crime intelligence within the South African Police Service and within the South African National Defence Force. Hence, the following concept will form the basis of planning and operational phases. We are, of course, have 8 pillars operational approach expanded from the traditional 5 pillars model as the reflection of the complexity of the organized crime ecosystem.